In this video, we're going to be looking at finding multiples of a number and the lowest common multiples of two numbers. First of all, we need to understand what we mean by multiple. Now, the multiples of a number are just all the numbers in its times table. So in this case, the multiples of 4 are going to be all the numbers in the 4 times table. We just need to list the first 6 of them. So that gives us 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. And that's the answer. Note, we could never list all the multiples of 4 because the 4 times table goes on forever. Compare that with what we did in lesson N4a on factors, where it is possible to list all the factors of a number. In part B, we need to list the first 6 multiples of 6. So these are the first 6 numbers in the 6 times table. We've got 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. In part C, we're being asked what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. Now I've got the multiples of 4 and 6 that we did in part A and part B. The lowest common multiple is the smallest number that's in both lists. So it's the smallest number that is in the 4 times table and the 6 times table. It is the lowest number that is a multiple of both. If we look in these lists, we will find that the smallest number that's in both lists is 12. So 12 is the lowest common multiple, and we can use the abbreviation LCM. That's the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. In question D, we need to find a different common multiple of 4 and 6. So we're looking for a number that's in the 4 times table and the 6 times table, but isn't 12. It isn't one we've already found. And hopefully you can see that 24 is another common multiple. It's in the 4 times table and it's in the 6 times table. So the answer is 24. It's not the only answer. In fact, every single number in the 12 times table is also going to be a common multiple of 4 and 6. You might want to think about why that is the case. In question E now, we need to list the first 6 multiples of 5. Those are the first 6 numbers in the 5 times table. And that's it. In question F, we need to find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5. So let's list out the 4 times table. Those are the first 6 numbers as we found earlier in the video. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 5 is going to be the smallest number that is in both of these lists. And hopefully you can see that that is 20. We've got 20, which is a multiple of 4 and a multiple of 5. So the lowest common multiple is 20. Just check there is nothing smaller that happens to be in both lists at the same time. Now, in this case, the answer happened to be 4 times 5. It won't always work out that the lowest common multiple is what you get when you multiply those together. And you'll see in the next video in lesson N4c how to deal with problems involving larger numbers and how using prime factors and understanding highest common factors can actually help you deal with problems involving multiples.